Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima, I'm from Belarus. I continue learning English. Right now I got up and I found out quite interesting comment under my video from one of my subscriber. Oh, I need to shave. But today is weekend and I can look like this. Sorry. So this subscriber asked me quite interesting question, and this comment looks like this. We can see this comment on your screen. Yes, this comment written in Russian language. To be honest, this text has some mistakes, but don't worry about it, because if you have only beginner level in Russian language, don't worry about it if you make any mistakes, because I'm also make different mistakes in my speech, in my text, when I write some text in English. Yes, don't worry about it, really, don't worry, don't care. So I translate this text into English. This subscriber asked me, what's the difference between two Russian words like "моё"? We can see these two Russian words in your screen. What's the difference between these two words? It's good, it's very good when you ask me your question, what you don't understand in Russian language, because if this subscriber asked me question about Russian language, about what he doesn't understand, it's good, because this subscriber really interests some question about Russian language, and this subscriber really wants to learn Russian language, and it's very good, really, it's excellent. Therefore, please, if you also have any questions about Russian language, please write me in comment. I promise I will answer, or in the comment, or in my videos like this. So what's the difference between these two Russian words? Sometimes we can meet word "моё" with letter "е", and sometimes with letter "ё". But what's the difference between all these words? There isn't difference, understand? There isn't difference. What I mean? More often Russian people use this word with letter "е". I mean like this, "е". More seldom Russian people use this word with letter "ё". But the meaning of these two words the same, absolutely the same. Or if you will meet this word like this or like this, the meaning of these two words the same. And first of all, you should know that you need to pronounce this word only like "моё", only "моё", not like "моё", because we see that this word written with the letter "е", we pronounce this word only like "моё". For example, this is my happiness. Это моё счастье. We pronounce this sentence like это моё счастье, not моё счастье. We pronounce like моё счастье. And it's obvious if you can tell me, but why Russian text sometimes has this word with letter "ё", I mean like this. But I don't have one answer this question. Just remember, the meaning of these two words is the same. If you come across the word "моё" with the letter "е" or "ё", remember that you need to pronounce these two words like "моё", and the meaning of these two words is the same. Therefore, the difference between these two words is only in one letter, which doesn't change the meaning of this word at all. But it isn't finished. No, it isn't finished, because I continue to talk you about other examples with the letter "ё", because this letter "ё" is very tricky and interesting letter from Russian alphabet. I'll explain. In Russian text you can meet two quite similar Russian words like this: все and всё. Yes, we see that to these Russian words quite similar. And the difference between all these two words, only one letter. Yes? In this situation, letter ye. In this situation, letter yo. You can tell me this, that the meaning of these two words the similar and the same, but it isn't correctly. Because take this word все. Yes, все. We translate into English like everybody or everyone. Understand? This word все we pronounce into English like everybody or everyone. But this Russian word like все we pronounce differently. We pronounce like everything. Understand? Everything. This word все we pronounce it into English like everybody or everyone. This word все we pronounce it in English like everything. Understand? Only one letter, only one Russian letter can change absolutely everything. Understand? Only one letter can change the meaning these two words. For example, how do you translate into English this sentence? Мы все выпили. Мы все выпили. Выпили. How do you translate into English? I will explain. We translate into English like we all drank. We all drank. But if, for example, I don't know, we all drank the coffee. We all drank the juice. Understand? We all drank the alcohol and so on. Yes. But if you use word все, for example, how do you translate this sentence into English? Мы все выпили. Мы все выпили. How do you translate? I'll explain. We translate in the English like we drank everything. Understand? We drank everything. Everything, absolutely everything. Everything, coffee, juice, alcohol, and so on. Understand? You see right now that only one letter can change absolutely everything, can change the meaning these two sentences. Understand? Therefore, be careful when we use word with these two letters, ye and yo, because if you will use incorrectly these two words, these two letters in these words, this person who told you can't understand you what did you mean. Oh my god, I hope you understood me what I wanted to tell you. Yes, just be careful. Also, Russian language has other words, other examples where we pronounce letter ye like yo. For example, Russian word like тяжелый, difficult, тяжелый. This is a difficult lesson. How we translate into Russian, into English. Это тяжелый урок. We see that word тяжелый written with the letter ye, but we pronounce like yo. And of course, we can write this word with the letter yo. But Russian people sometimes lazy and they don't write this word with the letter yo. They write this letter with ye, but it's more easily and simplicity. Therefore, just remember that this word like тяжелый we pronounce like тяжелый, not тяжелый, because we see that this word written with letter ye. We pronounce like тяжелый. Understand? Another example. Черный, black. Black cat. Черный кот. This word черный also written with letter ye, but we pronounce like yo. Черный, not черный. We pronounce like черный. Another example. Ёлка. Ёлка. Christmas tree. Ёлка. We see that this word also written with letter ye, but we pronounce like yo. Ёлка. Other example. Ёжик. Ёжик. We don't pronounce like ежик. It's funny. We don't pronounce like ежик. We pronounce like ёжик. Ёжик. Береза. Береза. Second letter ye we pronounce like yo, not береза. We pronounce like береза, береза. Матрешка, the same situation. Матрешка. Найдем, найдем. For example, we will find this information. We will find this information. Мы найдем эту информацию. Мы найдем эту информацию. Not найдем. Because we see that this word written with the letter E, but we pronounce like yo. Of course, we can write this word with the letter yo, and it isn't mistake. We can write with letter yo or with the letter ye. It isn't mistake, and the meaning of these two way the same. Understand? Самолет, plane, самолет, helicopter, вертолет, вертолет, тетя, aunt, тетя, костер, костер, белье, белье, and other examples. Because Russian language has lots of other examples with these letters ye and yo. I mean, when we meet Russian words with this letter ye, and we need to pronounce like yo, but not everywhere. I shared with you only some words where there's a letter ye and it needs to be pronounced like yo. Therefore, you should know in which words the letter ye is read like ye and in which like yo. And it proves one more time that Russian language more difficult and complex than, for example, English language. Because I learn English language, and I really consider that English language sometimes more easy and more simple than Russian language. So I hope that I explained this topic for you. If you that subscriber that wrote this comment, I hope you understood me. I hope you understood what I said in this video, because I tried to explain to you this topic as simple as possible. Therefore, if you also have any questions for me about Russian language, about Russian rules, please write and comment your questions. I promise that I will answer your questions or in the comment or in the video like this. So if you like this video, if I deserve, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.